Hey, fifth grade mathers. Okay, today you need to go to page 129. 129. And we're going to be working on something I really think that you guys have seen this before, but we're going to make sure that you remember, and then it's going to get a little harder. But since you guys are super smart, I know you can do it, okay? Your lesson today is called greater than and less than. So you're talking about these symbols that represent greater than and less than. How do we know which one is greater than? Significa que, porque leemos la oración the same way we read anything. If let's say this one, 14 is what? Greater than 29 or less than 29? Mayor que 29 or menor que 29? It's menor. So what are we going to do? Are we going to put this symbol or this symbol? Do you know? You're going to put this symbol because where the boca is smaller means less than. See that? The boca is smaller, so it means less. When the boca is grande, it means greater. Okay, so on this side, the boca pequeña is on the side where the número pequeño is. Okay, so and you read it like this. 14 is less than 29. Okay, so what about this one? 18 is what? Greater than 7, so it's going to be boca grande. 18 is greater than 7. Okay? But then look at letter C. Now we have to do some math. Listen carefully, unless you want to do this again. Make sure you're listening to the video well. When you do these problems, you have to show me that you did the math. You can't just go 2 times 8 is 16, 3 times 5 is 15 in my mente, and I'm going to give you the answer. ¿Sabe por qué? Because when you get to a problem like this, letter H, yo sé que va a adivinar, va a poner cualquier respuesta aquí porque no quiere hacer las matemáticas. Yo sé. Entonces yo quiero ver que están haciendo las matemáticas para no adivinar, pero poner una respuesta segura. Okay, so here we go. Give it to me, Ethan. 2 times 8 is what? 16. You gotta put that up there. You have to write that up there, or I'm gonna reject your homework. 3 times 5 is what, Abiel? 15. What are you gonna put right here, Oscar? Greater than or less than? Greater than, so boca grande by the 16. 16 is greater than 15. So look at letter H. What are we going to do here? Remember, if the number is grande, más grande on the top, the numerator is grande than the denominator, we have to divide like this. 8 and 23 is 2 times. So that's 2 and 7 eighths. 2 and 7 eighths. And then this one, 3 and 16. 3 and 16 is how many times? 5. 5 and 1/3. So which one's bigger? 2 and 7/8 or 5 1/3? 5 1/3. So it's going to be 2 and 7/8 is less than 5 and 1/3. But I have to see your work there so I know that you're not just guessing and putting down whatever you can. Okay? Look at number 2, letter A. Let's work on that one as well because that's the same thing. Okay, here we go. Let's multiply it. You can cancel if you want to, because I'm seeing some people are not as comfortable with that. I'm going to keep doing it the other way too. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 6 is 18. We got to reduce though if we can. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we have 1 9 here. And then 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, which one is bigger? I tell you guys this about fractions before. If the numerator is más pequeño, if the denominator is más pequeño, let's say it again. If the denominator is más grande, la fracción es más pequeño. Porque recuerda, if you have a pie, do you want to share with 27 people or you want to share with 9 people? You want to share with 9 people because then you're your piece is bigger, okay? So this fraction is bigger than this one. So you have to put greater than, okay? Try letter B by yourself, and we'll do it together. Try letter B by yourself. Ready? Here we go. We're going to do 4/5 times 20 over 1, right? Because this is a whole number, we have to put it over 1. Okay, I'm going to cancel on this one. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And this is 1. So that's 4 times 4 is 16 over 1. So that's 16. Okay? Over here it's 2/9 times 81 over 1. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18 over 1, which equals 18. And then you decide it's less than, right? Because 16 is less than 18. Okay? So the other ones you can do by yourself. Look at number 3. Let us review these. Number 3. Letter A. Number 3, letter A. 3/8 peck equals how many quarts? Okay. Remember that there are what? 8 quarts in a peck. Right? 8 quarts in a peck. Yeah. So here we go. We put 3/8 peck. So we put peck on the bottom, quart on the top. 8 quarts in 1 peck. And then what do? Multiply your fractions. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So that equals 3. And that's your answer right there. Okay, so I reviewed that with you. Okay, let's look at your word problems. Let's look at your word problems. I'm going to help you set them up. Number 4, letter A. Joshua's bike costs $180. He paid $30 down, that means $30 to begin with, and then the rest in monthly installments of $15. Okay, so guys, look, he had $30. Okay, mire, él está comprando eso en por crédito. Okay, so he doesn't have all $180 to begin with. He only gives Molineros $30. So now, how much does he owe on this? Now he owes $150, right? So now cada mes he's gonna pay $15, right? So how many months does he have to pay $15? You're gonna divide what he owes by 15, and that'll give you your answer. Okay, that's all you. Look at letter B. Some stores and offices in Madrid, Spain, open at 9 a.m. and close from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. They close again at 7 p.m. for the day. How many hours are they open each day? That is interesting. Okay, so look. You go from 9 to 1, open. 1 to 4, closed. So that means 4 to 7, open. Now we gotta count our hours. How many hours is it from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.? Well, let's count it. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. That's 4. Okay, be careful, I didn't count 9. It's 9 to 10. 9 to 10, 1. 10 to 11, 2. 11 to 12, 3. 12 to 1, 4. And then 4 to 5, 1. 5 to 6, 2. 6 to 7, 3. Ooh, so they're only open for 7 hours. There you go. I did that one with you. Bonus for you. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, but have a great day and work very hard. Thank you.